Hi dear students, in this class we are discussing about the application of derivatives of the main topic, that is rate measure. Clear? So what is the meaning of rate measure? It is nothing but in differentiation normally we call a rate of change of anything. Clear? If I say this, a rate of change of y with respect to x. Clear? Yeah, sometimes the rate will be used for a time also. So if I say dy by dt, it is nothing but a differentiation of y with respect to t. Clear? But the rate of change of y with respect to time. And also in physics, you are seeing that rate of change of displacement is called velocity, and that is nothing but ds by dt is nothing but velocity, and rate of change of that velocity is called what? That velocity is called what? Acceleration. Already you know. Clear? So the rate of change of means what? One quantity is changing with respect to another quantity. That is called what? A rate of change of the one quantity variable with respect to the variable. In normally we will call a differentiation of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Independent means what? You are changing, or the values can change anytime, but this value is depending on the x value. That is nothing but y equal to x square plus 2 something equation are there. In that equation, if you are substituting the x value, then y value is also changes. By using this all concept, mean rate measure, we can discuss about the area of circle. Means what? Rate of change of the area. Then what will be the radius changes. So means if the radius change हुआ तो area कितना change होगा. तो if the height change हुआ तो area कितना change हो जाएगा. तो if the height will be decreased with respect to time, then what will be the total area? Decreases है क्या? Increase है क्या? So in this chapter you need to remember the increasing means what? So increasing means what? You have to take the positive value. Decreasing means what? You need to take the negative value. Clear? So this is very important in this chapter. Whenever the increasing value increases, then positive value. Decreases, then you should be take the negative value. Before discussing the chapter, we should aware of these all the things. What are the things? The area of circle. What is the area of circle? That is nothing but pi r square. Clear? And what is the circumference of circle? That is 2 pi r. Clear? Sir, why you need to take these values? Because the area is there. Clear? Pi r square. If the radius changes, means what? Radius changes means what? Dr by dt. Area changes means what? dA by dr with respect to r. The area changes with respect to r. Then you should be remember this. Oh, what are these? Nothing but dA by dr. What is the meaning of this one? dA by dr. The area it changes with respect to radius. Rate of change of area with respect to radius. Clear? Like that, the rate of change of radius with respect to time. Rate of change of volume with respect to time. Rate of change of height with respect to time. And whatever it is, you need to remember the rate of change of y with respect to x in this chapter. Clear? So whenever you can take you have remember this value. Clear? What is ds by dt? If you are considering this s as a displacement, then it is called rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Surface area, whatever it is. Clear? You should be remember. And now the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and area of rectangle आपको पता है ना what is circle? What is the diagram of circle? This is circle. So what is this? R, and total distance is pi. So because of it is called a pi r square. And what is the circumference? That is nothing but आप ऐसा कट करके ऐसा किया तो पूरा length मिलेगा. That nothing but 2 pi r. And what is about the rectangle? The rectangle is nothing but so ये वाला x रहेगा और ये वाला y, और ये वाला x, ये वाला y. ये वाला भी x है तो ये वाला क्या हो जाएगा? ये वाला भी y. Then it is nothing but x into y. It is nothing but area. And perimeter is nothing but x plus y plus x plus y. It means what? 2x है टू y है, दिस इज नथिंग बट पेरीमीटर. एंड सेम आल्सो स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर एज ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल है. देन एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज नथिंग बट x into y, width into breadth, and perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into x plus y, that is nothing but p, this is nothing but a, this is nothing but c, this is nothing but a. And what is the volume of cube? So you know the cube, yes or no? What is cube? A 3D diagram is there and all edges have a same values, clear? So all edges have a same value. So if you are considering this a or x, it should be a all sides edges are x only, clear? Whatever it is, you need to remember every edge has a equal values. So if this is x, this is x, so it means totally x are there. Totally how many spaces are there here? Totally 6 spaces, and is each space like a क्या हो जाएगा, square हो जाएगा, clear? Because of that we need to use the surface area as well as क्यूब का क्या हो जाना है, वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा, साइड, ये वाला साइड, ये वाला साइड, ये वाला साइड, क्या हो जाएगा, एक्स क्यूब हो जाएगा. एंड व्हाट इज द सरफेस एरिया, 6 टाइम एक्स स्क्वायर. एक्स स्क्वायर इज द स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर का एरिया एक्स स्क्वायर. देन हाउ मेनी स्पेसेस आर देयर हियर, 6 स्पेसेस. सो बिकॉज ऑफ 6 टाइम्स ये वाला क्या हो जाएगा, क्यूब का एरिया हो जाएगा, क्लियर? एंड लाइक दैट वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब विल बी अ एक्स क्यूब, and this is nothing but phi, and surface area of cube is nothing but surface area a is equal to 6x square, and square square का क्या हो जाएगा, area, area will be x square, perimeter will be 4 times x. You need to remember this, clear? And what about the surface area of sphere, volume of sphere? What is the volume of sphere? 4/3 phi r cube. ये वाला क्या होना चाहिए, 4 phi r square. एंड व्हाट इज द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन, इधर ये सी एस से आएगा एंड टी एस से आएगा. व्हाट इज सी एस ए, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, एंड व्हाट इज टी एस ए, टोटल सरफेस एरिया. एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन क्या हो जाएगा, 1/3 phi r square h. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया, टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज phi r into r plus h. Curved surface area phi r h or phi r square h, clear? So you need to remember, clear? So whatever it is, इधर examples आएगा उसमें देखना पड़ेगा. And the one thing you need to remember, right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? If you are considering this A, this B, this C, so if this is the angle theta, and theta का opposite कौन सा हो जाएगा, A वाला, and this will be a adjacent side, clear? And this is nothing but a hypotenuse. You need to remember the Pythagoras theorem. AC square hypotenuse square equal to the AB square plus BC square. You need to remember this one, clear? So ये भी use हो जाएगा, वो ladder example है, that is 3 marks and 4 marks. So in this section they will definitely ask 2 marks 1 question as well as 3 marks 1 question in board level, and in competitive also they will ask 1 question from this chapter, application of derivative in CET, or maybe 2 questions, clear? So consider the first question. What is the question here? The question is, find the rate of change of to the area of circle with respect to its radius. तो find करने के लिए क्या बोल रहा है, so consider first. So consider, so A is area of circle and R is radius of circle, clear? So to find what, to find dA by dt, sorry, dA by dr when r equal to 3 centimeter, clear? So you need to find this one. So to find this one, you should be aware of the A value. What is the A value? What is A value? A equal to what is the area of circle? We know that area of circle क्या हो जाए, area of circle will be phi r square. And you know the in implicit function, what is the differentiation of x with respect to x? 1. What is the differentiation of x with respect to y? तो क्या होना चाहिए, dx by dy. And differentiation of r square with respect to x है तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2r dr by dx. Differentiation of r square with respect to r है तो क्या होता है, 2r होता है. दोनों वेरिएबल सेम है तो. एंड यू इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन में है ना, what is the differentiation of y with respect to I? 1. and what is the differentiation of y square with respect to x है तो 2i dy by dx. Here also same. So a is there. आपको with respect to radius बोले तो r चाहिए, then differentiate with respect to r क्या होना चाहिए वाला dA by dr. So phi is a constant outside and r square. What is the differentiation of r square? 2r because it is with respect to r है ना. Then you know the you need to find the dA by dr at r is equal to 3. So what is the value of r here? 3. वो value इधर substitute करो 5 into 2 into 3. So it means what? 6 pi. So इधर आपका unit भी लिखना है. What is the unit? 6 pi. So area is changing with respect to radius. 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Clear? So this is our area changing with respect to radius. Clear? I hope it is clear. And now the radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Clear? And find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. Again you need to consider what? A is area of circle and r is radius of circle, and what they are given, the radius of a circle is increasing uniformly. They are given radius is increasing means what? Positive value you have to take. So dr by dt you need to take. Why sir you are taking the dt value? Because centimeter per second is there here. Yes or no? Changing with respect to time because I have taken the t. So because they have given the dr by dt value, how much it is? 3 centimeter per second. Clear? They have given this value and asking what? dA by dt. dA by dt when the radius is 10 centimeter, r is equal to 10 centimeter. A value क्या होता है? Then you need to start again. What is the area of circle? The area of circle A is equal to pi r square and differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. क्या होता है वाला? dA by dt and phi as it is. What is the differentiation of r square? 2r into dr by dt. Why it is dr by dt? Because differentiate again with respect to t. Variable क्या है? With respect to t है. Because again you need to differentiate it. Clear? And dA by dt at r is equal to 10 and dr by dt is also given. What is the dr by dt value? 3 centimeter. ये दोनों वैल्यू इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 5, 2 and what is the r value? R value 10. What is the dr by dt value? 3. So 3 into 2 6. 6 into 10 60. So ये वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? 60. इधर देखो एरिया इज चेंजिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. बोले तो 60 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड. क्लियर? दिस इज योर गिवन वैल्यू. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. And next, the radius of a circle is increasing. Again, radius is increasing, and what is the rate of increase of its circumference? So if you are changing the radius, तो circle का आप radius change किया. क्लियर? कितना तो change किया totally. So इतना था, इतना change किया, तो change कर रहे हैं इसे continuously uniformly. तो ये size become ये वाला size हो रहा है. तो circumference भी increase होता है. So how much it will be? They are asking what is the rate of increase of its circumference. Clear? So now you need to take the C will be C is circumference of circle. Clear? And what is R? R is radius of circle. Clear? And we know that C is equal to 2 pi r. Yes or no? Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So इधर देखो dr by dt they have given. What is the dr by dt? They have given the value. dr by dt is given 0.7. Clear? Whatever that they have given 0.7 centimeter per second. What you need to find? dc by dt इज इक्वल टू कितना, क्लियर है। सो नाउ dc कितना हो जाएगा, dc विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t 2 as it is, 5 as it is. What is the differentiation of r? Differentiation of r is differentiation of r with respect to t, clear है। this is our dr by dc by dt। आपको dr by dt वैल्यू पता है ना, वो वैल्यू इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, dc by dt is equal to 2 5। what is the value of dr by dt? that is 0.7। 0.7 into 2 किया तो 1.45 as well as centimeter per second। again you will get the dc by dt value is 1.4 centimeter per second, clear। so इधर भी same example है, easy है, and these are only 2 marks question। an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter long? They have given the cube, clear? So the cube is there and the edge of the cube, clear? Any edge of a cube means what? All edges are same. Edge of a cube variable is increasing. ये value है ना, this value is increasing at the rate of this value or these all edges increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second। पर सेकेंड को 3 सेंटीमीटर ज्यादा हो रहा है एक क्यूब का एड्ज, क्लियर है। देन हाउ फास्ट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब इंक्रीजिंग? सो ये वैल्यू कैसे हो जाएगा, ये वैल्यू बिग हो जाएगा। सो इट मीन्स व्हाट, द एड्ज विल बी अ बिगर देन क्यूब इज आल्सो बिगर, क्लियर है। सो क्यूब भी ज्यादा हो जाएगा, इसका वॉल्यूम भी ज्यादा हो जाएगा। सो इफ द इंक्रीजिंग इन दिस एज तो इंक्रीजिंग इन वॉल्यूम, that only they are asking dv by dt, clear? So now edge of a cube they are asking, clear? So now consider the let x be a edge of cube, then let volume of the cube will be a volume of cube is equal to x cube, p is equal to x cube, and what they have given, the dx by dt। so dx by dt is given कितना, 3 centimeter per second। what you need to find, you need to find dv by dt when the x is equal to 10, clear है, 10 centimeter। so now dv by dt क्या हो जाएगा, differentiation with respect to t किया तो it will be 3x square dx by dt। आपके पास dx by dt वैल्यू है एंड एज वेल एज x वैल्यू भी है। तो नाउ dv by dt एट x इज इक्वल टू 10, ये वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, 3 into 10 स्क्वेयर। dx by dt वैल्यू विल बी, व्हाट इज द dx by dt वैल्यू, 3 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड। 3 बोले तो 3 आएगा, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 100। so 9 into 100 will be 900। the volume is changing, it means what, cubic with respect to what, with respect to time, it means what, second, clear? this is your dv by dt, clear? I hope it is clear। so the volume of the cube is increasing at the rate of 900 cubic centimeter per second when the cube of the edge of a cube will be changes with respect to 3 centimeter per second। and next total revenue, one thing you need to remember, total revenue is given, they are asking what, marginal revenue। marginal revenue means what, differentiation of total revenue, clear? so differentiation of total revenue is nothing but marginal revenue, clear? and what about marginal cost, that is also differentiation of total cost। you need to differentiate that equation, any equation you need to substitute this value, that's it, clear? I hope so you can do it। so what is the r of x is given, 3x square plus 36x plus 5। so differentiate with respect to t, so differentiate with respect to t means what, it will be dr by, sorry, with respect to x है ना variable, with respect to x, then 6x, sorry 3 as it is, 3 as it is। what is the differentiation of x square, 2x, and differentiation of x will be 1, differentiation of 5 will be 0। 3 into 2 means what, 6x, it will be 36। this is what, dr by dx। now आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको dr by dx at x is equal to 15, at x equal to 15. So 6 into 15 plus 36, 15 6 are 90, 90 plus 36. What is 90 plus 36 are 126. So the marginal revenue will be 126 when the x units. Clear? Next 3 marks or 5 marks. Now if a length of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute and the width of the width y is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute, when x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rates of change of the perimeter, the area of the rectangle. Clear? Simple. Given क्या है? Given the if the length of x is what? Length. Clear? X is length and y is what? Rectangle का ना, and width y will be a width. So decreasing, x of a rectangle decreasing, so dx by dt is given. Decreasing means what? 3 centimeter per minute, and the width of the y increasing means what? Dy by dt will be a positive 2 centimeter per minute. Clear? And what they are asking, they have given the two values. So when x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 6 centimeter, x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. They are asking this one. And now perimeter they are asking and area of the rectangle asking. Clear? And what is the perimeter of the rectangle? आपको पता है ना what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into x plus y. So differentiate, change चाहिए ना, differentiate with respect to t. क्या हो जाएगा? dp divided by dt is equal to 2 times dx by dt plus dy by dt. Clear? So now you know the values. What is the dx by dt value? Minus 3 plus what is the dy by dt value? 2. So 2 into minus 1, so minus 2. What is this? Perimeter, centimeter per minute. So it is decreasing or increasing? It will be what? It will be decrease. Clear? So now you need to find the change in the area. What is the change in the area? A is equal to x into y. Area of rectangle is what? Area of rectangle is x into y. Now ये area को आप differentiate किया तो with respect to t क्या हो जाएगा? X as it is. You know the value whenever the differentiation of first function into second function. First function as it is, differentiation of second function plus second function as it is, differentiation of first function. Clear? इधर ये वाला फर्स्ट फंक्शन सेकेंड फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन करो plus y as it is, differentiation of x. Clear? And now what is the x value they have given? dA by dt, they have given the x value 10, y value 6. So now x value will be 10 and y value is given. What is the dy by dt value? 2. And plus what is the y value? 6. What is the dx by dt value? Minus 3. So 10 into 2 20, 6 into 3 will be 18 and plus into minus will be minus. So 20 minus 8 will be 2 centimeter square per minute. This is the area. Area is increasing. Clear? When the length of the why area will be increased and why perimeter will be decreased? Because when the x of a rectangle is the length, so length को आप क्या कर रहा है? Decrease कर रहा है. तो width को क्या कर रहे हैं आप? Increase कर रहा है. कौन सा तो एक increase कर रहा है, कौन सा तो एक इंक्रीज करे, डिक्रीज करे, क्लियर है? सो विथ द रेट ऑफ 3 एंड 2. सो आप क्या भी करो, एरिया तो क्या होना चाहिए, डिक्रीज होना चाहिए ना, सॉरी इंक्रीज, बिकॉज ये वाला देखो ना 2 सेंटीमीटर, ये वाला 3 सेंटीमीटर, एरिया तो ज्यादा ही हो जाएगा कुछ तो आप ये लेंथ कमी किया तो विड्थ ज्यादा किया, विड्थ ज्यादा किया तो क्या हो जाता है, तो इसका एरिया विल बी इंक्रीज, सो बट पेरीमीटर विल बी डिक्रीज बिकॉज लेंथ ज्यादा है ना इधर, ये लेंथ विल बी अ हाईएस्ट वैल्यू, तो लेंथ इज ग्रेटर देन विड्थ, आपको पता है वो, then it will be 3 centimeter, वही कम हो रहा है तो length of perimeter is also decrease, clear? So I hope it is clear. This is 3 marks and 5 marks for very important question already asked in the 2016, 19 and 20, clear? And the same example is there, a length of a x rectangle decreasing and width of a y increasing, and they are asking same question, area of a rectangle and perimeter, rate of change of, clear? I hope you can do it. So 2017 and 14, just comment in the comment box, that is dp by dt कितना आता है and da by dt कितना आता है, clear? I hope you can comment it. And what about the next one? हाँ, ये example है ना, ये वाला बहुत interesting है, very important also, asked in many times, clear? ये वाला example and ये वाला example, this is very important. Nowadays they are asking 3 marks, but before asking the 5 marks, this is also very important question and a logic question, very applicable question, clear? So some of you are asking where the sine cos are using, where the tangent, where the mathematics is using. अभी देखो, a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall, the bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground, clear? Pulled along the ground away from the wall, clear? So ये एक लैडर है, ये वाला आपको दिख रहा है इधर, ये एक लैडर है, इट्स अगेंस्ट अ वॉल, क्लियर? आपको ये भी आप समझो, ये वाला वॉल है, क्लियर? ये वाला लैडर है, क्लियर? सो दिस इज ग्राउंड, क्लियर? सो दिस इज ग्राउंड. सो नाउ a 5 meter long, this is 5 meter long, and the wall, the bottom of the ladder, ये वाला है ना bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. सो मैं ये क्या करता हूँ, फुल करता हूँ, ये वाला क्या करता हूँ, फुल करता हूँ, फुल किया तो क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल बी डिक्रीज, इट विल बी इंक्रीज, यस और नो? सो द हाइट ऑफ द वॉल विल बी डिक्रीज एंड ये क्या होता है, लेंथ ऑफ द दिस ग्राउंड लेवल है ना, ये ग्राउंड व्हाट इज द लेंथ इज देयर बॉटम ऑफ द लैडर टू द वॉल, सो ये लेंथ है ना, इट विल बी इंक्रीज, यस और नो? दैट्स ओनली यू नीड टू डिस्कस. सो एट द रेट ऑफ 2 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड, एट द रेट ऑफ 2 सेंटीमीटर में इधर पुल कर रहा हूं with respect to second, then how fast is the height on the wall decreases when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. So ये वाला आपका 4 meter away गया तो ये वाला कितना नीचे आ रहा है, तो 2 सेंटीमीटर से आप इधर ले रहे तो इधर कितना सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड से नीचे आ रहा है, दैट ओनली दे आर आस्किंग, क्लियर? when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter, clear? So now we need to discuss about this before we have to find some values. So what are that values here? देखो, draw the diagram. This is what wall and this is what ladder, clear? So this ladder is given कितना 5 meter and the foot of the perpendicular is also given 4m. So just consider this is A, this is B, this is C, this is what, this is ladder, ऐसे consider करो, clear? So the change in y, so this is what y and this is what x, clear? So आप ये वाला एक क्या किया, आप फुल किया, फुल किया तो ये डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा, फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर विल बी इंक्रीज, यस और नो? द वन थिंग इज गिवन, dx by dt is given, the full ladder with the rate of 2 centimeter per second, 2 centimeter per second. You need to find what, dy by dt, you need to find dy by dt, and one more they have given a x value and this value, you need to find the y value. So before we need to use the Pythagoras theorem, so they have given what, dx by dt, foot of the perpendicular is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. What is x? Foot of this wall, whatever it is, ladder है ना, foot of the ladder and 4 meter away from, that is given foot, and ये क्या है आपका लेंथ, वॉल लेंथ, क्या हो जाएगा, वॉल लेंथ विल बी, so wall length or height, the height of the wall will be y will be y. Clear? So it will be y, and they are need to find the y. The ladder height will be 5 meter. So using Pythagoras theorem, what is that Pythagoras theorem says? X square plus y square is equal to 5 square. Clear? So differentiate with respect to t. So differentiate with respect to t, 2x and dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt is equal to 0. You know the differentiation of constant will be 0. अभी इधर देखो आपके पास x वैल्यू है, dx by dt वैल्यू है, बट y का वैल्यू नहीं है. We need to find that y वैल्यू. कैसे? आपको पता है ना Pythagoras theorem. So x square plus y square is equal to 5 square. x square वैल्यू है ना आपके पास. So x square वैल्यू है, y वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. So y square is equal to 5 square minus x square. Y square is equal to 5 square minus 4 square. Y square is equal to 25 minus 16, and y square is equal to 9. Y is equal to plus or minus 9. So here y is greater than 0 because it is a length. So and it will be a plus 3 only. Clear? Y is greater than 0. Substitute this value here. So 2 into 4. And what is the dx by dt value? 2 centimeter per second. Here all the lengths are in a meter. Clear? Don't worry about that. सर ये दोनों मीटर में है, तो ये वाला y का भी मीटर में है, तो y का वैल्यू कितना मिला आपको? 3 मीटर मिला. ओके, द y वैल्यू इज मीटर में है, तो चेंजिंग वैल्यू किस में है? चेंजिंग वैल्यू इज ऑलरेडी इन द सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. सो आपका फाइनल आंसर मिलेगा सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड ही मिलेगा. व्हाई? यू आर फाइंडिंग द चेंज इन द दिस हाइट. यस और नो? सो नाउ you can take 2. What is the 2 centimeter per second? Or you can take 0.02 because you are converting meter. वापस क्या लिखना है? वापस सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड ही लिखना है. सो ये वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए आपका? 0.02. You are converting this dx by dt is 0.02 मीटर पर सेकेंड. मीटर पर सेकेंड चेंज हो रहा है, तो प्लस 2 into y. What is the y value here? 3. And dy by dt फाइंड करना है. क्लियर? सो नाउ 2 into 4 8. 8 into 0.02 क्या हो जाए? 8 into 0.02 क्या हो जाए? 8 into 2 16. 8 into 0 0. 0 and 1 will be 1. And 8 into 0 0. Clear? So 0.16 आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? ये वाला. और you can just take it as a 2 only. That's a better choice. 2 into 8 dx by dt and x value 4. And you can take it is 2, nothing will happen. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16, plus 2 into 3 6 dy by dt is equal to 0. Then dy by dt is equal to minus 16. ये नीचे आया तो 6, तो 2 3 जा 2 8 जा, so minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. I hope you will understand that is whatever the dy by dt value आते हैं ना, that is minus 8 by 3 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. आप मीटर में लिखना चाहिए तो minus 0.08 डिवाइड बाय 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. बट गिवन क्वेश्चन क्या है? गिवन क्वेश्चन हमारा सेंटीमीटर में है ना, सो यू शुड बी टेक दिस वैल्यू. क्लियर? इट इज डिक्रीज और इंक्रीज? Decreases. Yes or no? The height of the wall is decreasing at the rate of minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second and minus 0.08 by 3 meter per second. I hope it is clear. Clear? So you need to remember, ये वाला इधर आए तो ये वाला नीचे आएगा, तो that only you need to find. Clear? I hope it is clear. And try this one. You can try. इधर values, बस values change है. What are the values here? The 24 फुट है, इधर 3 फुट पर सेकेंड है, उधर मीटर पर था, इधर फीट पर था. तो नेक्स्ट डाउनवर्ड्स, इधर जस्ट डोंट वरी, a ladder 24 feet long leans against a vertical wall. The lower end is moving away at 3 foot per or feet per second. Away means what? So same, this is what? A vertical wall, and this is what? A ladder. Again same question, they are changing some words only. Clear? So they here the lower end is moving away. So ये lower end है ना, moving away from the wall with respect to, again this is x, this is y, this is they are given 24. So x value is changing dx by dt. So कितना हो रहा है? dx by dt they are given 3. feet per second. Don't worry about the unit. What they are given, that only you need to take. And find the rate at which of the top of the ladder is moving downwards. Top of the ladder. Whenever you are pulling this ladder, ये वाला इधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा ऐसा ऐसा नो ऐसा पुलिंग करे तो ये नीचे आ रहा है तो ये वाला वो भी नीचे आ रहा है. Then top of the ladder is moving downwards the downwards. Clear? If its foot is 8 meter तो ये टोटल लेंथ कितना हो रहा है 8 फीट हो रहा है तो हाउ मच इट विल बी डिक्रीज्ड. क्लियर? सो कितना डिक्रीज हुआ वो फाइंड करना है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. यू कैन फाइंड इट. क्लियर? सो फाइंड करो, आंसर कमेंट में बोल दीजिए बस. एंड नेक्स्ट, हाँ ये देखो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा है. दिस इज ऑल्सो 3 मार्क्स आया था. एंड अ पार्टिकल मूव्स अलोंग द कर्व. What is the curve they have given? That is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Given क्या है? dy by dt 8 times dx by dt. और आप dy by dx equal to 8 लिया तो भी चलता है. क्लियर? So now differentiate this one. So differentiate किया तो क्या होता है? Differentiate with respect to t. 6 times dy by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt. 2 का क्या होता है? 0. Clear? So now you just differentiate किया. What is the dy by dt value? 6 into dx by dt कितने टाइम्स था? 8 टाइम्स is equal to 3x square dx by dt. So now this dx by dt cancel. 6 into 8 कितना? 48 is equal to 3x square. X square is equal to 48 by 3. X is equal to plus or minus 4. सर ऐसे कैसे आया? 3 1 जा 3 16 जा 16. X square equal to 16. X is equal to plus or minus root 16. Root 16 है तो क्या हो जाएगा? Plus or minus 4. And they are asking what? A particle moves along the points. Find the points. So you need to find the points. What are the points? What is equation? 6y cube. Sorry, 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. So if x value is 4. So if x 2 points है ना plus or minus. So 6y is equal to 4 cube plus 2 and y is equal to what is the 4 cube value? 4 4 जा 16. 6 4 जा 64. 64 plus 2 divided by 6. तो 66 divided by 6 11 आएगा. So what about x is equal to minus 4? Same इधर से start करो ना आप. 6y is equal to minus 4 cube plus 2. Minus 4 cube will be minus 64 and plus 2. ये वाले कितना हो जाएगा? minus 62. This is nothing but 6y is equal to y is equal to minus 62 divided by 6. 2 3 जा 2 3 1 जा. So minus 31 by 3. So I hope you will get the 2 points. What are those 2 points? If x is equal to 4, आपका आंसर आएगा 11. 4 है तो 11 and minus 4 है तो minus 31 by 3. So minus 4 comma 31 by 3. These are the 2 points you are wanted. Clear? So now I hope it is clear. Very simple question and a very important question for 5 marks, and they are asked so many times. 19, 17, 15 and 20. Clear? This is 5 marks question. They can ask 3 marks also. And now what is the question? A sand is pouring from a 5 at the rate of 12 centimeter cubic centimeter per second. The falling sand form a cone on the ground such a way that height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius. इधर देखो, the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone is increasing when the height is 4 centimeter. ध्यान से देखो, they have given the one sand diagram. Clear? Cone. So this is nothing but cone. Clear? And what is the r? R will be radius. And what is h? H is the height of the cone. This is what, if the sand is pouring on the ground, then it forms a cone. Then now they are asking what? The sand is, again they have given the volume, yes or no? Change in the volume they have given. So let r, h and v be the radius and height and volume of cone. Clear? Of cone. Now so dv by dt is given. What is dv by dt is given? 12 cubic centimeter per second. Clear? And the falling sand is from ground of such a way that height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius. This is also very important. The height of the wall is 1/6 of the radius. Clear? Sorry, the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius. Sorry, so इधर क्या लेना पड़ेगा आपका? The radius value is height will be 1/6 of radius. Then r is equal to 6h. Clear? This only you need to take here. So next, always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand? So height of the sand is increasing. So they are asking only dh by dt कितना होता है. Clear? So now you know the volume of the cone. So what is the volume of the cone, sir? Why you are taking volume of the cone? Because they have given the change in the volume. So then in that you can use, what is the volume of cone? You already know volume of cone, phi is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Clear? So phi is equal to 1 by 3. What is phi? Phi as it is. What is r value? R value will be 6h. 6h square into h. Now 1 by 3 phi 36, h square into h will be h cube. So 3 ones are 3 12s are 12 phi h cube. This is what? Phi value. So volume value is V will be 12 pi h cube. Differentiate with respect to t, dv by dt, h cube value will be differentiation 3h square dh by dt. Clear? आपके पास सब वैल्यू है. dv by dt 12 phi 3 h square value, dh by dt value. You need to find dh by dt. So 12, so same values are there. So here height is 4 centimeter. Clear? You can find it. Clear? Whatever the value is there, that you can find. So dv by dt is equal to, find करना है बस 12 phi h cube का differentiation 12 phi 3h square. Clear? ये वैल्यू कितना है? 3h square 4 square 3 phi 12 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. आपको dh by dt ये वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. सो आई होप वी कैन फाइंड इट. क्लियर? सो ये वाला फाइंड करके आप भेज दीजिए. क्लियर? आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन. अभी इधर देखो, ये dh by dt आते क्या नहीं? ये वाला इधर रखना, सब इधर भेजना, 1 by 48 समथिंग आएगा. एंड नाउ ये वाला भी सेम है. देखो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? अ बलून, ये वाला 2025 को आया था. देखो फास्ट. A balloon which is always remains a spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which the volume of the increasing when the radius is with radius when the radius is 10 centimeter per second. Clear? So now, a balloon means what? It is a sphere and spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which the volume of the balloon is increasing with radius. It means what? You need to take the 1 minute. A balloon which is always remains spherical has a variable radius. So find the rate at which its volume is increasing. Very good. increasing with radius and the rate at which volume. What is the volume of the sphere? That is 4 by 3 phi r cube. इसका वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा? dv by dr. So 4 by 3 phi 3r square. Here they are asking dv by dr. So dv by dr is equal to 4 by 3 phi 3. What is the r value they have given? R value 10 centimeter. Clear? So now 10 centimeter directly with respect to radius है ना, increasing with radius with respect to r differentiate करना. So 3 cancel, 10 4s are 40, r square है ना 100, 405 centimeter cube per centimeter. This is what? dv by dr. Clear? Easy example, very easy. Yes, clear? So I hope it is clear. So 3 marks 2 marks के लिए आता है. So a man of height 2 meters walks at a uniform speed. वो भी थे ना आपका रेक्टेंगल था ना, सेम टू सेम ऐसे है, ये भी आप कर सकते. क्लियर? So and I hope everything is clear. This is you need to take as a homework. Clear? So ये वाला आप ट्राई करो, नहीं आए तो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करता हूँ. So don't worry. Clear? So I hope everything is clear.